Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel Life Aajkal with Sanjana. Now these days we are spending most of our times at our home and due to multiple lockdowns and extended work from homes, and I personally feel that it's very important to set the vibe of your place right, like as you like, and it should be pleasing to your eyes, where you can relax, vibe and chill in general, and it even betters your bad mood. So gloomy and sad COVID times really motivated me to decorate my place and set the vibe right, how I like, and so I shopped a lot, and I reached out to various stores like online stores, online websites which I found on Instagram, Pinterest, and some stores like Home 360, Home Center, and some local but very popular markets like Delhi Hut and Banjara Market. In this series, I'm going to be sharing with you some decor items that I purchased and how I use them to decorate my place. Now, so for this, I'm going to divide this video series into two parts. In this part, I'm going to show you all the items that I purchased from Banjara Market, and it will be very helpful for someone who is looking to give their place a new look without burning a hole in their pocket. So before I start sharing with you the items that I got and how I use them to decorate my place, let me tell you a little about Banjara Market. So Banjara Market is a very popular local market. It is situated in Gurgaon sector 56. I'll leave the location in the description below, and you can easily reach there by your own transport, or you can use travel via Delhi Metro, and I think the nearest metro station is sector 54 Chowk. So it's a market run by nomads, and it's a treasure for classic beautiful furniture pieces, and you will get you'll get dining tables, smaller coffee tables, and lampshades, and beautiful mirrors with a beautiful frame which have a wooden frame which have a carving on it, and those you see on Instagram and Pinterest, those influencer kind of mirrors, yeah, you will get them there and a very cheap price. And from ceramic and wooden crockery and planters, and yes, you will actually get everything there, and this can be your go-to place if you're looking to give your home a whole new look, and if you're on budget. So
now, without any further chapper,
let's get straight into the video, and I'll start by first showing the smaller items, the crockery pieces, the show pieces that I got from there, and we'll save our star products for the end. And I also have a calculator with me to calculate the entire amount we spent in shopping from Banjara Market. And first I'll talk about the price and the quality of the products, and in the end I'll also insert a clip of how I use these items to decorate my place. Now the first item I have is the set of these beautiful ceramic mugs. Just look at the color. I love the pastel pink color, and I just love collecting beautiful mugs to have my coffee in, and then post it on Instagram. And yes, I think these are very pretty, and it's a very lightweight also. I think it's perfect for your daily dose of chai and coffee. And can you guess the price, guys? I got these just for 30 rupees. Can you believe that? So I got very happy, and I am actually regretting right now that why didn't I get more of these. So yeah, this is my first purchase. Now the next item I have are these set of three ceramic bowls. I got these in pastel pink, pastel green and grey color, and I think these are really pretty. First look at the quality of these bowls. These are also ceramic, and they have the same design as we have in our mugs, and these are really bigger bowls. I was looking for a bigger bowls to have my snacks in, and I think these are perfect, and these are really pretty also, and they are really good quality, and I got this for just 50 rupees. So for my next purchase, I really like collecting some beautiful, and different, crockery pieces to serve my starters in when guests arrive, and which really, give a cafe vibe. So I reached out for these two, platters. One is this and one is this one, and I like this one more. It has a small, bowl in it also, so that you can serve your ketchup or chutneys and mayo and all those stuff. And these are really good quality. So in Banjara Market, guys, one tip is that you really need to check all these crockery pieces for any cracks and damages. I bought these for 80 rupees each. I really love my next purchase. So we have a huge dining table for which I was looking to keep in center a huge bowl, like a wooden bowl, where you can which you can of course keep your fruits in. And so I purchased this. I mean, look at this. This is like huge, and this has a like a wooden finish on the outside, and a little, I don't know what this material is called. It's a shiny ply kind of thing from the inside, and it's getting a little dirty. And I got this for, it is a little expensive. The Didi, who was selling it was not in a mood for negotiation, so I got this for, I guess, 450 rupees, which I think is a little expensive, but for Banjara market. But I really loved it, and the finish is really nice. So for my next purchase, I got these two wooden spoons, and I think these will be good to serve anything like biryani or pasta. And these are like wooden in finish, and I really like these two, and I got both of them for 50 rupees, like 25 rupees each. Next item that I have is this Dadi Ma ka achar ka jar, which I got for just 50 rupees, and I just looked at it and I thought that it will look really good as a planter, so I just put money plant in it, and I think it looks really beautiful. And it also comes with a cap as well, so basically you can use it as a planter, or basically you can use it for storing your So the next item that I have is this beautiful looking storage box, and it's wooden, and it's really pretty looking, and I got it for just for like 100 rupees, and I think it can be used as a showpiece as well on one of your shelves, or you can use it for storing your little jewelry. So for my next purchase, guys, I got this beautiful looking wooden ladder, as you can see, and I got it for just 700 rupees, and I think it looks it is all worth it, and I just decorated it with using some fairy lights, some artificial plants, a Buddha idol I was already, and some scented candles, yeah, and I think it looks super nice and super beautiful in my living area. So let me show you a little closely, guys, how this ladder looks like, and how the finish is. And honestly, I would say that this is not the best finish, but I think for 700 rupees it is all worth it, and I think it looks super beautiful in my living area. So coming to the last purchase of this Banjara market haul, guys, is this our star product, this beautiful lampshade. I'm in total love with this lamp. I think it looks super beautiful in this corner of my living area, and it has become my favorite spot to just chill. So yeah, let me show you the quality of this lamp, guys. I think it's very beautiful. The finish is very nice. The design, on the stand is very nice. The wood also, I think this is Shisham, Shisham ki lakdi, I say, I think. And yeah, from the feel of it, it does not, look cheap or feel cheap at all. And I think it makes my makes my living areas look so pretty, and it just completes the whole look of it. So yes, guys, I'm in love with this lamp, and it just costed me 1500 bucks. Can you believe that? Because I searched for other lamps on other stores like home centers and all, and it is very expensive there. I know that it starts from, even online, it starts from like 4,000, like 3,000 to 4,000, and something so beautiful just costed me 1500, and I'm very happy about it. And sometimes I just turn off all the lights, just light this lamp, listen to Pratik Kuhad. Yeah. So yes, with this, guys, we have come to an end of a Banjara market haul. I think all the items were really beautiful, and it was all worth it. Oh yes, we were calculating, right? Let me show you what is the total of all the items. So it totals up to 3,220, which I think is so worth it for so many beautiful items. I don't regret buying anything, and I would love to go back there again and shop a lot more. So yeah, please stay tuned for the part 2 video of this home decor series. And yeah, I hope I was able to give you an idea of what items you can find in Banjara market. Please do share this video with your friends and family who you think may find this helpful. And yes, with this, a lot of amazing content is coming your way, guys. A lot of lifestyle vlogs, shopping hauls, DIYs, more home decor. So yeah, please stay tuned. And this was my first video, so I fumbled a lot, I know, but I'm learning and I need your support. So please do like and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, bye. I really wanted to do this from a long time. Bye.